and welcome. I'm Prachi Gupta. As the whole world battles the coronavirus pandemic, every single day is bringing in hope. Hope of a breakthrough. Hope of a new vaccine. In this COVID-19 bulletin, we bring you facets of that hope, curated information on the new developments in science and technology each day that can help us in managing and overcoming the ongoing crisis. Safe travel has become quite a concern in the current pandemic-ridden world. Working on this issue, young brains of IIT Guwahati have now come up with a mobile application called Flyzy, which promises to make travel by air safer. The app provides contactless boarding through the easier baggage drop, manageable parking, better shopping experience at the airport, and provides necessary updates during the whole journey. The application banks on the fact that most of the people who travel have a smartphone with them, which can be utilized to guide them thoroughly about several airport functions and flight notifications. The application gives real-time flight notifications, universal web check-in portal, check-in baggage status, and map of the airport. The app also has a payment feature through which the passengers can pay digitally and a smart UI assistant for the elderly. Flyzy has been developed as per the International Air Transport Association guidelines, and we hope that it may be used at various airports soon. Let's know what the expert has to say on this.
Flyzy is an aviation tech startup. We make software solutions, mobile-based software solutions for various airport and airline operations, so that we can make them automated and contactless. And basically there are two products. One is the software, which is integrated, or in simple language I would say connected with the system at the airport and the airline. And the second one is for the passengers, the Flyzy app. So if I talk about the Flyzy app has various features like contactless airport shopping, contactless boarding pass, contactless airport parking. Apart from it, there's a smart assistant for the old age passengers and the first time travelers, and the passenger will be able to get the real-time flight notification whether the flight is delayed or not, or whatever the status of the flight, along with what baggage their luggage will be coming and from which gate their flight will be departing. And along with this, there will be universal web checking portal, so that the passenger need not to Google every time for the particular Spice check web checking or Indigo web checking. The passenger can do the web checking from the app itself. So the main motive of the app is to deliver all the airport services on the phone of the passenger. And the reason we are making mobile-based software solutions is because majority of the people use phones while traveling. Like 90 or 95% of the people use phones. So we will be able to give our solution and services to vast majority of the passengers. Moreover, the app is completely free for the normal people, like for the passenger. There's no charge, and every service or every feature they want to use is completely free for them.
Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology of the Department of Science and Technology is working on various verticals to help the country navigate these testing times. With its technical know-how, the institute has now helped a startup named VST Mobility Solutions to develop an automated mask disposal machine. The machine is an Internet of Things or IoT-based device that can be used for disinfecting used face masks. The masks dropped inside the bin undergo disinfection process and are then transferred to another container. The bin is fully automated to ensure that no human intervention is required to carry out the disinfection process. It also has an automatic sanitizer dispenser attached to it that can be used by the bin user to sanitize his or her hands after dropping the mask in the bin. The device has been verified through the testing procedures carried out at the SCTIMST and has now been launched by Ernakulam District Collector S. Suhas by installing a unit at the administrative headquarters of the district. Let's hear more on this from Alvin George, founder and CEO, VST Mobility Solutions Private Limited.
Is a biomedical waste which need a disinfection before converting into dustbin or before disposing it. So we have developed a bin which is a smart bin working on a principle of UVC, which will disinfect the used mask using a chamber inside the bin itself. After that, it will transfer into the normal bin, which can be taken out as a normal waste. and the technology is based upon the microbiological test results came from Sritra. Using the particular wavelength of UVC lights, and this is proven very effective for virus and bacteria. So that is the basic technology which is working, and there is a duration which it can disinfect. That is minimum it has to have 3 minutes, and out of 3 minutes it will disinfect 99.9% of the bacteria and virus.
Chandigarh-based CSIR, Central Scientific Instrument Organization, developed an indigenous technology of air pressure electric switch. This electric switch is an essential component of an air-assisted electrostatic spraying system. For large-scale production, this technology has now been transferred to Mohali-based MS Vishwakarma Engineering Works. This technology transfer event happened through a video conference and was attended by Dr. Sanjay Kumar, who is the director of CSIR CSIO, Mr. Devinder Singh Mohal, CEO of MS Vishwakarma Engineering Works, and other scientists and innovators. That is all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. We hope that you all are safe and maintaining social distance. See you soon. Namaskar.